Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that has created a storm in the tech world. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Leaks and rumors have been flooding in, and now we have what looks like the final design confirmed. This is not just another small update in the iPhone lineup. Apple seems to be preparing a phone that will bring a radical change in design and features. If you thought you had already seen the best from Apple, think again. Because the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most advanced and stylish smartphones ever created. According to the most reliable leaks, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a unibody aluminum chassis. For years, Apple has experimented with different materials for the iPhone body. We have seen stainless steel, we have seen titanium, and now Apple is going back to aluminum, but with a very different approach. Instead of separate parts being put together, the chassis is crafted from a single block of aluminum. This means strength, durability, and a seamless design that flows smoothly from the body into the camera bump. No sharp cuts, no disconnected lines, just one continuous surface. This gives the phone a cleaner and more futuristic look, while also making it stronger. The most noticeable change, of course, is the rear camera module design. We all know Apple cameras have always been a major selling point. The iPhone 17 Pro Max takes this further with a new camera island layout. Unlike previous models that relied on 3D glass bumps, this time the bump is directly integrated into the aluminum chassis. The result is a sturdier, more refined design. This also allows Apple to pack in some of the most advanced camera technology we have ever seen in an iPhone. Reports suggest that the new system will include a 48-megapixel telephoto lens and possibly a periscope zoom system. If true, that means optical zoom levels of 5x to 8x, giving users professional-level photography tools right in their pocket. Think about what this means for real-world use. Imagine standing at a concert, far from the stage, and being able to zoom in with clarity, or capturing wildlife shots from a distance without losing quality. Apple knows photography is central to the iPhone experience, and this upgrade is going to excite millions of users worldwide. The leaks also show that the brand, a well-known casemaker, has already revealed its tank case for the iPhone 17 Pro. Case makers usually get accurate dimensions ahead of time so they can prepare accessories. That means the design details we are seeing are not just guesses. They are based on precise measurements shared with accessory companies. The tank case images show the raised portion around the camera module, confirming the new design direction. We also get to see the placement of the power button, the volume controls, and the new action button, which is becoming standard in Apple's lineup. The move back to aluminum also sparks an interesting conversation. Many people loved the titanium design from the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 series. Titanium was lighter and extremely durable. So why shift back to aluminum? The answer lies in design integration. By crafting the entire chassis as one solid piece of aluminum, Apple gets more control over how the body and camera bump work together. This not only improves the strength but also gives a unique aesthetic. Some might say titanium feels more premium, but aluminum allows Apple to innovate in ways titanium did not. Another big talking point is internal space optimization. The new unibody design does not just look good, it also frees up room inside the device. That could mean larger batteries, more efficient cooling systems, or space for additional camera components. Apple has always been careful about balancing slim designs with performance needs. With this new approach, they may finally have more freedom to push performance without sacrificing the thin profile that iPhones are known for. Now let's discuss the camera bump transformation in more detail. This is not a minor tweak, it is a complete rethink. In the past, the glass bump was a separate piece attached to the back. It sometimes made the camera area fragile or prone to scratches. The new method integrates the bump as part of the chassis itself. This means more durability, better protection for the lenses, and a cleaner overall design. It also provides the necessary space for advanced camera technologies, like the rumored periscope zoom. Apple does not make big design shifts without reason. and this change clearly points to a major leap in imaging capabilities. The launch timeline is another exciting aspect. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 17 series at the September 9th event. This fits the company's usual annual pattern. But what makes this year different is the level of leaks we have seen. Usually, Apple manages to keep final details hidden until launch. But with casemakers like DR Brand already showing their products, it's safe to say we have a reliable preview of what's coming. And let's be honest, these leaks have only increased the hype. Of course, price is always a question. Apple has not confirmed anything yet, but given the advanced design, new chassis, and upgraded camera system, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will almost certainly sit at the top of Apple's pricing structure. It is aimed at users who want the best premium design, unmatched performance, and cutting-edge camera features. This phone is not just about keeping up with competition. It is about setting new standards. So, what makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max different from everything we have seen before? Let's summarize. A unibody aluminum chassis, a new integrated camera island, a 4.8 MP telephoto lens, a possible periscope zoom with up to 8x optical zoom, more efficient use of internal space, and the confirmation of these details from trusted casemakers. This combination is what makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max stand out for years. Apple has balanced between design elegance and technological power. Sometimes critics say Apple does not innovate fast enough. But the iPhone 17 Pro Max proves that Apple is still willing to take bold steps when the time is right. By rethinking the chassis and camera system, they are showing that even small details matter when it comes to the user experience. This is not just about specs. It's about creating a phone that feels premium, works seamlessly, and lasts longer. As we move closer to the official launch, excitement will only grow. Apple fans are eager to see how the company presents these changes. Will the marketing focus on the new chassis? Will the periscope zoom become the highlight? Or will Apple surprise us with even more features that have not yet been leaked? Whatever happens, one thing is certain. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just another yearly refresh. It is a statement device, a product designed to show where Apple wants to take the iPhone in the next generation.